Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make Gamjatang or pork bone soup. For ingredients, let's check down below. So the first one, you will need pork bone. So this is the neck part of the pork. I have between 4 till 5 pounds. I have 1 onion dice, 4 green onions. I cut it about 2-inch long. You will need doenjang or Korean fermented bean paste, shiitake mushroom, and then cabbage, napa cabbage. This is been blanched for about a minute. About 1/4 cup of perilla seed powder. Now, for the seasoning paste, you will need about 1 tablespoon of gochujang or Korean hot pepper paste, 3 tablespoons of gochugaru or Korean hot pepper flakes. I mix the coarse and the fine. 6 garlic cloves minced, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, half teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a little bit of water, approximately about half a cup. To prepare the pork, you will need to wash before actually cook it, and then I let it submerge in a cold water for about 30 minutes just to get rid of the blood and the little bones that's been cut off. Now we're gonna blanch it for about 5 minutes. When the water is boiling, we're gonna add our pork inside. So after you add all the pork bones, we're gonna blanch this between 5 to 7 minutes. So after I blanch for about 7 minutes, I drain all the water, and then I'm gonna wash all of this with the running cold tap water. So now we're gonna cook this inside our instant pot. So now let's follow. After you did everything, now inside the instant pot, I will add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of doenjang, the onion and the green onion, shiitake mushroom, and then we're gonna fill it up with water. Now you gotta make sure all the pork is submerged inside the water. So now we're gonna start cooking. Alright guys, so our pork bone, it's inside the instant pot. So now you wanna make sure it's on the closed positions. You wanna make sure the vent is on ceiling. And then now for the settings, you wanna go to the meat or stew. This is on high, and then 25 minutes. When say it's on, just wait for it. While we're waiting our pork bone to cook, we're gonna make our seasoning paste. So like I told you before, here I have 1 tablespoon of gochujang. You wanna add your gochugaru or Korean chili flakes, perilla seed powder, garlic, fish sauce, and ground black pepper. Mix them all up. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And just like that, our seasoning paste is ready. Alright guys, so 25 minutes passed. Now it's been 25 minutes, so I turn off, and then I'm gonna use the quick release functions. What you need to do is just turn to the side on your valve. So after there is no more hissing sound, and then if you see that purple indicator on your Instant Pot already dropped down, it is safe to open. So we're gonna open it. Now we're gonna put our seasoning paste. So I'm using the broth to clean up my seasoning paste. Add your cabbage also. And then we're gonna close it back up, turn it back on. Make sure your vent positions, you put it back into the seal positions, which is in the middle. And then now you wanna cook it the same methods again, but this time only take 5 minutes. So once again, meat on high, and then we're gonna adjust to 5 minutes. And then when it's on, just let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I turn off my Instant Pot, and then I'm gonna let the steam release naturally for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes pass. Now you wanna use the quick release functions. So just slide to the side. Alright guys, so this is the final results, the pork bone soup or Gamjatang. It's really easy to make, really fast. You don't have to wait 2 hours if you use Instant Pot. So now, as you can see, the meat is really easy to break. So it's nice and soft here. Now for the garnish, I usually just put the green onion on top. And there you go, ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.